Understanding switch statements.
Switch statements help programmers handle multiple possible values for a variable. They offer a clear, structured way to execute different code paths, improving readability when compared to long chains of if-else statements. Let's explore how switch case statements are used in Java, JavaScript, and C++, and learn when they are most effective.
Switch case syntax in Java.
In Java, a switch statement evaluates an expression and matches its value to labeled cases. Each case ends with a break statement to prevent fall-through to the next case. Java supports switching on primitives like int, char, and from Java 7 onwards, strings and enums. The default case executes if none match.
Switch case in JavaScript.
In JavaScript, switch statements work similarly. Evaluate an expression, match to cases, and use break to prevent fall-through. Cases can use any expression with loose equality, making string and number comparisons common. The default clause provides a fallback. JavaScript's flexible type system gives switch extra versatility, but can cause unexpected behavior if types aren't considered.
Switch statements in C++.
In C++, switch statements can only use integral or enumeration types, integers, chars, and enums. Each case label must be a constant expression. Omitting the break keyword leads to fall-through, executing the code for subsequent cases, which can be useful but must be handled carefully. As with other languages, the default case covers all unmatched values.
When to use switch statements.
The previous user only has a variable that may take on several distinct known values, and you need to decide between multiple specific options. They make code cleaner and easier to maintain than long if-else chains, especially when handling menu selections, command parsing, or error codes. However, for more complex conditions, if-else logic may be better.
Key takeaways.
Switch case statements work similarly in Java, JavaScript, and C++, but there are differences in syntax and allowable types. Use switch when you're evaluating a single value against multiple distinct possibilities for clearer, more efficient code. Always remember to use break statements unless fall-through is desired, and choose the language's version that fits your use case.